finally got moving around 1 o'clock in the morning. So whatever the small technical issue was, they got it fixed. So we're underway anyway, so I'm gonna go down to the casino, see what I can do down there. Wish me luck. You want a yummy drink? City of the Seas, heading back to Tampa as we head out.
We're not going, we're already here. We're at dinner. We just sit down. We're going to have Italian dining. It is stress-up dining.
It is. I'm going to get chicken parmesan.
I bet you do.
What does our waiter always say?
Wow.
Wow.
We'll have to do it and show you. He's funny.
We'll show
Hopefully
you.
it does look nice.
We'll do it.
Wow.
Regular garden salad. I got minestrone. Jack got Caesar salad. Terry got chicken parm. I got chicken parm.
Chicken parm, chicken parm,
Jack
chicken
got
parm.
Chicken parm. Got
Diet Coke.
Diet Coke. Nothing for dessert. Jack got Jack and Coke. Nothing for dessert. I got nothing to drink, but I got tiramisu. It's gonna be what?
Can you take it?
It's gonna be wow. What is
Wow.
Sweet though.
How many?
Three.
1, 2, 3. One of those tres. Okay, and I've got 3 empty cups. So here we go. The first cup goes here, the second goes here, the third goes here. I'll take the first sugar, pull into half. Boom, it's down there. Now, 1, 2, 3. And the second one, pull into half. Okay? Just to make sure, no holes. No holes in the cup. The second goes here. Oh, sorry.
Oh, wait.
Oh, it's there. It's there. It's there. No, it's there. It's there. No problem. So now, how many? 2, right? Yep. Now, 1, 2, 3. And the third one. We're right here. How many?
3.
3. Okay, read it again. Watch carefully. Okay? 1, 2, 3. The first goes here. 1. Okay, the second goes here.
Oh my gosh.
2. The third goes here. How many?
3.
Now, here's the game changer. So the first, second, and third. Okay, 3 sugars, right? I'll put the first cup here. I'll put the second cup here. I'll put the third cup here. Just pretend I got the fourth sugar, okay? My buddy, take the sugar. Fold into half. Give it to me. No, give it to me, not there. I'll put it right here, okay? Now, we're gonna snap the fingers 4 times together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nothing in my hands, nothing in my sleeves.
Open your mouth.
Ah. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4, look.
Oh.
Wow!
Wow.
Thank you. Look, no holes in the cup.
Beautiful ladies! Alright, so far so good. Thank you. You can take us in. Let's go. Okay, Kelly.
Silent disco again. Good evening.
We're in the casino. I just paid about 40 bucks, so I stopped. And so we're going to call it a night. We're just having our day. And I had a time to drink. So I'm going to try something new. I got the Cosmopolitan Martini.
And I got
like it.
chocolate martini. I don't break tradition.
It's good, but it's a little strong.
Yep, so anyway,
Not sweet like a chocolate martini.
she won 40. I lost more than 40. I can promise you that. Oh, it wasn't a lot.
It's a lot to me.
10 cents is a lot to her.
Cheers. Party
Cheers.
Cheers. This
Yep.
is a good drink.
Yep.
Cosmopolitan Martini.
It is. All right. Tomorrow, Cozumel
And it
again.
matches my dress.
All right. And then all the way back home to get on another one.
Maybe.
Maybe.
We'll see.
So,
We'll see.
all right. So anyway, we'll see you in the morning. We don't know what we're going to do yet. We're going to wait till see what the weather is like.
We'll be in Cozumel.
Yep. All right. We'll see you.
Cheers.
No videotaping in the casino.
Bye-bye.
Bye.